Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be working on the forces again. I do apologize for my face. I had an allergic reaction. That's why my face is all red. It was bad. My eyes were almost swollen shut. But I'm gonna continue working on the forces and just trying to clean them up. I'm gonna take maybe 2 or 3 days, work on them one at a time. So we're gonna pick up where I left off on the first one. We're gonna do the face plate and around the edge, and then I might just call it a night after that, and then work on the other ones, start on them tomorrow. So yeah, let's go to the wheels. Right, so we're back over here with the one that I started with. I did go through and clean in here really good. I still need to do the faceplate, as you can see, but I did do the lip, and that's really where you can see the difference. Look how shiny that is compared to how like foggy this one is over here. So I am polishing them by hand because the snap-on gun that he bought didn't even let us do half a wheel before it broke. So we're just going to take our time, get it done. Truck's on stock wheels for right now. It's going to have to have these in like a week or so because we're about to put our Wilwood brakes on it, which, let me show you one of those calipers real quick. So this is the new 6-piston calipers we're going to be running on the truck. The stock wheel is an 18, and these require a 20-inch wheel. As you can see, this is a pretty big caliper. So I think my finger span is probably like 7 inches or so. So it's a good foot. So back on top of the wheels, I'm going to do the outside lip and the faceplate. Probably do the faceplate first, then the outside lip. But I do apologize for any of my heavy breathing. As I said, I just had a bad allergic reaction. My face was swollen up pretty bad. And on top of that, I have seasonal allergies. So I'm sorry. I'm a mouth breather. Can't help it. So anyways, you guys, I'll catch in with you in a little bit. Alright, it's still a work in progress. I'm about halfway done. I've just been going through, trying to clean around here. This has been the toughest spot up in these little, when the lip meets the edge of the wheel. So yeah. I got some smudges on it from touching it, moving it, but this is a big wheel. For those of you who don't know, this wheel's it's on a 33, and I'm only 5'3", so it's over half my height. So yeah, it's been fun moving these around. So I'll catch you back in a little bit. So I finished this one and I wasn't really happy with the result, so I'm gonna go through and touch it up tomorrow. It's about midnight here, so it's about time for bed, but I've still got 3 more to go. It's gonna be a long weekend. Cat claimed the forces. Okay, so we got the wheels done. This was the first one that we did by hand. We were able to get a new snap-on tool. I don't know. Oh, there it is. So Devin did this one, and this one over here, and then LJ did this one, and yeah, they look really good. Let me get this light. You can actually see the reflection on the wall of them. So they turned out really good. Not gonna complain. You can see they're nice and shiny.
Is it dangerous to like eat with polish on your hand?
No. I ate a whole damn Subway sandwich like this.
Over here talking about eating with polish in your hand. But yeah, they turned out really good. I don't know if he's gonna put them on the truck when, but I'll get a video of that for you guys whenever he puts them back on the truck. Hear their commentary in the back. They're a mess. And yes, I'm sorry, our living room's a mess. We've all been sitting up here while they've been polished. Anyways, we'll catch you when they're back in the truck.
Oh, we just pedaling around.
Yeah, doing the normal bullshit that you do. Yeah, those look super good. It's about to storm here, but the guys got the wheels back on the truck, so I thought I'd show them to you. Nice and clean. Very shiny. Hi, Fifi. So these wheels won't come off the truck again unless we buy another set of 20s or larger, because as I said, that brake caliper requires a 20 minimum, and what we have are for our stocks are 18s, and these are 22. So, and I know we have a lot of questions about the tires. It does look like there's no tread, but they're still pretty good tread. They're Toyo Open Countries. We ran these on the stocks before the last set, and they're just a good tire. I love them to death. And it's probably what we're gonna keep on the truck for the rest of the truck's life, as long as they make them. Or maybe, depending on the wheel, if we get a larger wheel, we might get a set of Furies. But I'm pretty loyal to Toyo because they handle right compared to everything else we have. But so you guys, that's it. We got the wheels back on the truck. Truck's gonna go in the shop this week, getting a new transmission. So we'll let you know how that goes. Y'all have a great day. Hustle harder.